For this week, he's covering back row. But yeah, it's massive congratulations to Marco for playing his 100th game, and hopefully it will go well with him personally, but also with the team, so that we can enjoy it. But ultimately, we don't want to make too big thing of it. We appreciate of what he's achieved, and that's awesome. But as a team, we have to focus on what we want to achieve as a team. Like I said, he's not just on the bench as a backup. He gives you the option to play back row, but we're comfortable that he can play if need to. But obviously, I still think he's a world-class back rower. So we'll take it week by week and see what role he's going to play. We're fortunate that you've got the qualities of Jan there and Johan, so it makes it a tough selection thing of how to plan it. But for this weekend, we just felt that his impact of specifically at back row can be big for us.
Actually started when Akker got an injury and he couldn't play. So and because I filled that role with the Springboks last season, it was easy to change to that role. And now Akker is out for a bit. So yeah, I'm happy to do both roles. It's in general play, it's very similar. It's just the throwing and the scrumming. But with Coach Werner and the Springboks with Coach Dan, I put in a lot of work to get comfortable in the scrums and with the line out throwing and things. So but I'm very comfortable doing both roles. If the Bulls want me to do both, I'm happy, and if the Springboks want me, I'm also happy. For me, it's a big privilege playing 100 games for the Bulls, and from where it started and the route, I wouldn't have it any other way. I've learned a lot on the way, and met great people and the teams and coaches and players, and they all make every bit of effort going the long way worth it. So it's just a privilege, and I'm thankful and grateful for the opportunity to play 100 games for the Bulls, and looking back at the journey, I'm just very happy. I think my first Super Rugby cap when I got my first game for the seniors, that was for me where it started, for senior rugby started, I think after COVID, when we won the Currie Cup and the Super Rugby Unlock, after tough months where we didn't even know when we're going to play rugby again. Every game for me is special. I know how short career can be, so I try and take every game as special as I can and try and give everything I can. So because you never know when it's your last. So there's a few standouts, but for me, every game to put on a Bulls jersey is special. We have walkthroughs and team sessions, so I try and mix it up, and obviously we get the detail off field, so I try and know both roles as good as I can. So whatever position is needed on the weekend, if I go on a hooker or flank, I can know my detail, and then we have opportunities to do where I can go through both roles on the field as well during the week. So now